This is how to prevent leptospirosis. Here are some tips from CDC. The best way to stay healthy is umiwas sa baha. Pero kung hindi ka makiiwas, siguraduhin magpakonsulta ka agad para makatanggap ka ng tamang gamot. If no choice kang lumusong sa baha, wear protective clothing like boots, long pants, and gloves. This creates a barrier between you and the bacteria. After mong lumusong, wash up thoroughly with clean water and soap. Pay extra attention to your feet and legs, where the bacteria might enter your body. Mag-toothbrush at oral antiseptic gargle ka na rin para sure. Because leptospirosis can enter your body basta may opening. Kahit gaano ka kaingat, accidents happen. Watch out for symptoms like fever, muscle aches, headaches, and even redness. This could be signs of leptospirosis. If you experience any symptoms after lumusong sa baha, don't wait. See a doctor right away. Remember, by following these tips,